Hi everyone, my name's Kelly Taylor. I'm the product manager for our commercial cleaning category. Today, I want to introduce you to our Adaptable Flat Mop Designed for WaveBrake. This product is designed to help you integrate microfiber and a more ergonomic solution into your current cleaning process, using your existing WaveBrake side press bucket. Now, we're gonna dive a little bit deeper into what microfiber composition means. Due to the large size of cotton fibers, string mop fibers are unable to fit into tiny grooves and crevices, which causes mops to push around dirt and debris. Microfiber has microscopic particles that can penetrate those tiny crevices on a surface. It uses a static charge to attract dust, dirt, and bacteria for more effective cleaning. The Adaptable Flat Mop is tested to remove 99.7% of bacteria and viruses, which allows for a better clean and provides an added layer of assurance. Overall, the Adaptable Flat Mop is the perfect solution for integrating microfiber into your current mopping process. It improves efficiency, productivity, ergonomics, and cleaning efficacy. Now, I will walk you through a demonstration of our Adaptable Flat Mop's cleaning performance. I will use an ASTM-approved testing method designed to simulate small particles on the floor surface. This mop will be compared against a traditional string mop. For the Adaptable Flat Mop, I will first start by twisting counterclockwise to adjust the handle to my preferred height for more ergonomic mopping. Then, I will press the center of the foot pedal located on the frame. Pull the handle upward until the frame is folded in half. Saturate the mop in the water and wring it out. Now it's ready to use. Just like traditional string mops, the Adaptable Flat Mop works with your existing WaveBrake bucket. Its microfiber composition allows you to mop 15% faster and pick up dirt and debris better than a traditional string mop. This microfiber mop helps floors dry 4 times faster. When saturated, it's 7% more absorbent than a traditional string mop, helping it cover more surface area and less passes. When it comes to ergonomics, the Adaptable Flat Mop is 70% lighter when saturated than a traditional string mop. The Adaptable Flat Mop is the ideal solution for incorporating microfiber into your current mopping process while improving ergonomics, productivity, safety, cleaning efficacy, and durability. Our Adaptable Flat Mop designed for WaveBrake kit includes an extendable handle, 18-inch frame, 2 blue pads, and a WaveBrake wringer insert. You can also purchase these items separately to fit the needs of your facility. This product is available now. To learn more, reach out to your local sales rep or visit our website.